Hi guys, this is Nasa Krishna from ECB section. My roll number is 2051 Today I would like to explain about the electronic gases, none other than the e-waste. Let me explain that. Hi guys, let me explain that. Electronic waste is none other than e-waste. Electronic waste or e-waste is a new type of waste that has emerged in the recent years due to fast development in the electronic field. As the configuration and the technology changes, the older models of the electronic devices are outdated and they become e-waste. E-waste consists of outdated telecommunication devices, mobile phones, security devices, automobile devices, refrigerators, air conditioners, microwaves. PC scrap in the form of the monitors, keyboards, CPUs, CDs, DVDs, printers, PVC wires, and cables. Other electrical and electronic gadgets are also included in e-waste. E-waste consists of the following toxic and hazardous substances: lead and cadmium are found in the circuit boards and in the monitor cathode ray tubes. Mercury found in the flat screen monitors. Cadmium and mercury are found in the rechargeable computer batteries. Polychlorinated biphenyls are found in the older gamasters and polychlorinated biphenyls are brominated flame retardants on painted circuit board. PVC cables, plastic casing, and circuit boards release in highly toxic dioxins and furans. When they are burnt to recover the copper from these wires, after separating the above toxic components from the motherboards, and they only use circuit boards or but in open places to recover the copper safely. Lead may causes the developmental issues in children. Mercury may reduce fertility, memory loss, and dermatitis. Cadmium may affect on the lungs and kidney damages. Arsenic may cause a carcinogen. Brominated flame retardants may causes the thyroid and liver problems. There are several ways to club the environmental hazards arising from the recycling of electronic waste and save our planet. One of the factors which exacerbate the e-waste problem in diminishing the lifetime of the many electrical and electronic goods. These are the two drivers for this trend. On one hand, consumer demand for low cost of the products, military against product quality, and result of the short product lifetimes. The right to repair is the spirit in us by farmers dissatisfied with non-availability of the service information, specialized tools, and the spare parts for extents. For beyond from machinery, with example, the restricted repair options offered by the Apple coming in the criticism manufacturers often counter with safety concerns resulting from unauthorized repairs and modification. Also, one of the best and easiest method of the reducing the electronic waste footprint is sell or donate your electronic gadgets of those in need rather than trash them. Thank you giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.